Hey everyone, AJ in the Valley here. Wanted to show you Peppermint OS. Now I have this running on an external hard drive and I will try to show it to you. This is the external hard drive that I'm running Peppermint OS off of. Put Grub on the hard drive, this hard drive right here. So if I take this away, it's not going to break anything on my Dell D630. I still have Windows 10 running on my Dell D630. Just the thing that I really wanted and missed the most was Kdenlive, Live, which I use as my video editor. And they have had some experimentations with Windows versions, and they do have a Windows version that will run on Windows 10, but I'm running a Windows 32-bit version, and unfortunately Kdenlive is a 64-bit only distribution. So I just wanted to show you the amazing Peppermint OS, and click here. Now the Windows, I have a dual screen set up. It's a little odd how Peppermint does it. And you can see here I fade out, but if you go to peppermintos.com, you can download the ISO image from there. So if you go to the About page, it says people have been trying to create an effective web-centric operating system for years now. This is especially true in Linux with projects like Ubuntu Netbook Remix, Google Chrome OS, and Moblin, all coming to the forefront in recent years. On the downside of things, these systems, though great for surfing the web, lack a lot of the functionality and familiarity that people demand from something they use on a day-to-day basis. Here at Peppermint, we're committed to giving you a system that won't throw you for a loop while trying to get things settled in. While conceptualizing Peppermint, we toyed around with a lot of ideas, trying to determine how best to meet our goals of providing a fast, web-centric operating system that's easy to learn and effective when put in use. The end result was a decision to use an interface that stays out of your way and lets you go around about your business. The default desktop environment for Peppermint is the LXDE Windows environment, literally, which means lightweight X11 desktop environment, which has shown itself time and again to be user-friendly and easy on the eyes and wicked fast. And it's a really wicked fast operating system. As long-time Linux users and supporters, we have seen certain levels of divide in the Linux community. We have also seen over the years a tendency not to kindly invite new users to Linux who all are exploring and looking for an answer beyond the two seemingly de facto systems that dominate the market. The biggest breath of fresh air in the past few years have been Ubuntu and Linux Mint, with their commitment to community and offering a welcome place for all to explore. Team Peppermint is committed to welcoming new users, offering them a product that is fast, easy to understand, and offering them an arena to experiment with Linux and all the while offering avenues to educate them further. Empowering the planet with Linux is our goal. Will you join us in this journey? We certainly hope so. So it is, they use the LXLE or LXDE, sorry, Windows environment. But sorry, I'll just bump that up. Apologize about that. But LXDE is lightning fast, but they changed something just in the last couple of iterations of Peppermint OS, and I'm loving it. And it is the whisker menu from XFCE, and I love the whisker menu. It's amazing. It's totally searchable, so you just hit the Windows key and Kdenlive, and boom, there it is. You can scroll down and enter Firefox. You can see it's so lightning fast, and it's a lightweight system. So like, this is running on an external hard drive off of my Dell D630, which you guys know is an old system, 2 gigs of RAM, and it's gorgeous. The wallpapers are absolutely stunning. It does dual monitors. It's a little kind of quirky what they do with dual monitor systems, but they do support dual monitor, and it's actually not as bad as some of the things that I've seen out there. It's just a really, really nice system that you can use if you want to still use a free and open source video editor, and lightning fast, and you can move back and forth quite easily with this setup to use an external hard drive and be able to have your regular operating system instead of monkeying with partitions and nonsense like that. It works absolutely fantastic out of the box. If we wanted to quickly go in and just see some of the programs that if we go under accessories, we have the application finder, archive manager, calculator, character map, disks, files, Pluma, run programs, screenshots, terminal, search files, wallpapers. Under games, they give you 2 and 3D chess, entanglement, first person Tetris, Mahjong, which is one of my favorites, a solitaire, which is a take on solitaire. For graphics, you get document viewer, editor by Pixlr, Express by Pixlr, image viewer, simple scan. Be no problem to add the GIMP, and I am going to add the GIMP. Under internet, you get a BitTorrent client for downloading your Linux ISOs. Dropbox, Firefox, web browser, ICE. And what ICE is it allows you to take, say you're a Gmail user, okay, and you don't want to, for whatever reason, go into the browser every time you want to get to the web client. You can create with ICE it's basically a bookmark, but it sort of runs like an application. You click on it, it opens a window, and it will go to said site. In this case, Gmail. Or you could have one for Facebook, or you could have one for YouTube, or Netflix, or whatever it may be. So that's a pretty cool little feature. You get an online user guide and the Peppermint forum. For Office, what they give us is document viewer, Gmail. Oh, okay. So here, These would be ICE applications. So if I click on Google Calendar or Google Drive, let's click on the Google Drive. I don't think I'm signed in right at the moment. We'll see where this opens up. So it's opening up Firefox, but it takes you right there, and it's clean. It doesn't have the navigation panel or navigation bar and the different type of stuff that you would see within Firefox itself, the tabs and whatnot. It just takes you directly to, and if you were signed in, it would actually open up your OneDrive and take you right there. So I thought that ICE is a pretty nifty little tool. Under preferences, you get additional drivers, Bluetooth manager, custom look and feel, default applications, disks, Firefox themer, firewall configuration, language support, monitor settings, network connections, Peppermint Control Center, Peppermint Settings, Preferences, Power Manager, and Software Updates. Sound and Video now has the GovC View, which you're watching me on, Kadian Live, which I installed myself, Pulse Audio, Equalizer, Pulse Audio, Volume Control, Simple Screen Recorder, which I installed myself, and VLC Media Player. Under System Tools, we have Decomp Editor, GDB Package Installer, Light DM, GTK plus Greeter, Printers, Samba, Screen Lock, Software Manager, Synaptic Package Manager, Task Manager, Time and Date, and you also have Update Manager, USB Image Writer, USB Stick Formatter, and the User and Groups. What I'll also be trying to do is install the OBS software just to see if I can get that up and running, where I have it running off of my Dell D630 under Windows 10. It's not a big deal. Simple Screen Recorder is a fabulous piece of software along with GovC View. But if you're playing like I like playing Go, and on the online go.com site, if you want to stream to Twitch or whatnot, sometimes you like to have a nice theme or whatnot. So anyway, we're going to cut this video off right here. Peppermint OS, peppermintos.com. I highly recommend that you check it out. It's a very lightweight, fast operating system that will get things done for you if you are looking at an open source alternative to Windows. So thank you very much, guys. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you in the next one real soon.